Good morning and welcome to your morning guided meditation. This meditation is meant to help you start your day on a positive note and create an energy shift for you to manifest a really beautiful, mindful, and peaceful day ahead. You have the power to manifest anything that you want. If you create the habit of starting each morning with a daily meditation like this one, you can reprogram your mind and your subconscious to create and shift a whole new reality for yourself. Our brain is still in the alpha wave frequency the first 5 minutes when we wake up in the morning. This is the best time for us to program new beliefs, new thoughts, emotions, and feelings into our reality so that we can manifest them throughout the day. Take the next 5 minutes to close your eyes and to visualize or feel or sense or imagine, whatever is easier for you, what kind of day you want to manifest and how you want to feel at the end of the day. You have the full day ahead of you, but for now, all you have to do is just lay in bed with your eyes closed and let my voice guide you. And as you lay down with your eyes closed, I want you to imagine the sun coming out and shining bright over you, like a new beginning. And this new beginning brings with it a glowing golden white light that is entering from the top of your head into your head and into your eyes. It's penetrating your eyes to allow you to see in the world the positive, radiant blessings all around you today. And it's allowing you to see the signs that are guiding you throughout your day on your path to success in relationships, in your career, and everything that you wish to manifest. And helping you to see the bodies and the souls that have been sent to you to guide you on your journey. The help and the guidance that you normally wouldn't be able to see. Giving thanks now and sending gratitude from the bottom of your heart to the stars, to the universe, for sending this healing, bright light that is going to help you and to guide you throughout your day. And now I want you to imagine this golden, white, warm, healing light coming into your ears and filling them with the healing that you need in order to hear the love and the guidance being offered to you today. If something feels like a criticism or sounds like an attack to you, I want you to be able to hear what the message is underneath the words that might be painful at times to hear. Hear the message instead that is being offered to you as a guiding post, as a guiding light, to help guide you throughout your path to your greater and higher self. How will this message help you grow? And now I want you to imagine this golden white light penetrating and coming down and filling your throat chakra, where it will stay as long as it needs to heal the past, anything from your past where you have been afraid to speak your truth, anywhere in your past where you were overactive in the way you communicated, or maybe you were underactive in your communication style out of fear for being judged. And this warm light is healing that part of you so that you can speak with confidence and grace. And all the right words will come to you at the right time, at the right place. And today when you speak, people around you will look at you and smile, and they will connect with you in a way they never have before, because they will see you and the light inside of you. And as this light travels down, I want you to imagine it coming down into your heart space, where your heart chakra is, and staying there, and filling your heart with healing and love. This light is now allowing your heart to open to new experiences, new people, new money, new love, and new energy. An energetic shift for you to manifest anything that you want. Take a deep inhale through your nose and hold all the air in your lungs. And as you exhale deep through your mouth, I want you to imagine that all of your doubt, all of the stress and tension and worry from your past is being released with this exhale. You are now releasing all of the old energy stuck inside of you, all of your old beliefs, everything that has held you back from your mind, your body, and your spirit. One more time, inhale deep through your nose. Hold in your lungs. Imagine this light expanding inside of you and glowing through you, and exhale deep through your mouth. This healing light is filling your heart space and changing the chemistry in your heart so that it will expand and allow new love, new abundance, and new experiences to flow into your space. You are now cleansed and free. You are free to have a beautiful, joyful day filled with light, positive energy, and opportunities for new beginnings.